अब आते हैं how do we make participes y, how to build participes y, how a verb should be changed to participes y. So as we know there are two types of verbs, regular, irregular. So irregular वाले को हम साइड करते हैं, उसका मैं रूल आपको नहीं बताऊंगी, बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है और 75 को रूल है, doesn't make sense, you know, you have to read so many rules. So better है कि जैसे जैसे irregular verbs आते जाएंगे उसका पार्टिसिप याद करते जाना, राइट? पार्टिसिप में ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको इश्क के लिए, दो के लिए याद करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है वो चेंज होता है, the word remains the same, that doesn't change. या ich habe gemacht, du hast gemacht, sie haben gemacht. So ich के साथ, du के साथ, sie के साथ haben is changing, but that gemacht is gemacht, that's not changing, right? So इसमें you just have to learn one word in the irregular, so it's not a big deal कि बहुत याद करना पड़ेगा या कुछ. तो हम irregular को साइड कर देते हैं, we'll focus on the regular verbs. That how do we make regular verbs to passive, to participle. So the first rule first says कि पहचानते कैसे हैं perfect को. So many of the verbs in participles y begins with a ge and basically ends with either t, et or en. तो जो passive जो participle होते हैं जो word वो ge से शुरू होते हैं and last में t या et या en से खत्म होते हैं. This is the basic, I would say, recognition point कि कैसे आप पहचानोगे. If I go to the book back again here, so you would see some verbs which you have here. For example, let's see something. Okay, for example, you have here gerated. So it starts with ge, ends with t. Then you have gemacht. It starts with ge, ends with t. Then you have gelernt. It starts with ge, end with t. Then again you have, I think this one. Another verb which I saw, geplant tha shayad, kahan tha? हाँ, geplant. So this is, where is geplant? I think geplant. Okay, yeah, good geplant. So you again, ge पे खत्म है, t पे खत्म होता है, right?
Excuse me,
so
ma'am.
this is the basic. Yeah, Sana.
Ma'am, in the verb gerated, it ends with et.
Yeah, it ends with et. So basically t, et or en. Yeah, these are the three. So,
Ma'am,
yeah.
there is a word gehold. What does that mean?
Hab geholt.
Ja, eine Pizza. Ich habe schnell eine Pizza geholt. In the second
Ein
last
Moment.
sentence.
Okay. Okay, this is also the participle of holen. Holen means to take, to pick up something. आप होलन पढ़ा था हमने, तो होलन भी verb है, उसका है gehold.
Okay.
Right. तो अब बात करते हैं हमने देख लिया कि most of the verbs जो होते हैं जब वो अपना when they change to participles y, मतलब when they change to their perfect form, they generally और majority cases में ge से शुरू होते हैं और e या et पे खत्म होते हैं, right? So now regular verbs को बनाने का rule, let's see what do we have in here. So the regular verb says regelmäßiger Verben makes the participles y with ge plus Verbstab plus t या et. Let's see how do we do it. So I have taken an example of the regular verb kaufen. तो kaufen के आगे हमें उसका helping verb लगाना है heart, which is the helping verb कि kaufen is buying and buying has no movement. So heart हमने लगा दिया helping verb. अब हमें ge add करना है और जो verb stam होता है आपको पता है कि except the en part, the word which we are remaining with, that's a verb stam. I told you at the conjugations time, right? So verb stam में either we need to add t और et. Yeah, so depend करता है कि कब t और कब et. Maximum cases में t लगता है. For example, let's do it. Kaufen, तो hart gekauft. So we added ge, we kept kauf and we added te. So बना क्या? Hart gekauft. Spielen का we made hart gespielt. Yeah, so if I give you the verb now, for example, I gave you kochen. Can you make it, Sana? Hart.
Heart, cocked.
Ge.
Heart, cocked.
Heart gekocht, right. Samriti, can you make for lernen?
Heart gelernt.
Gelernt, sehr gut. Hart gelernt. Okay. So, Revati, for Makhan. Hart.
Gemacht.
Gemacht, right? Then, Sana, vertanzen bitte.
Hard getanzt.
Hard getanzt. Okay, laufen and schwimmen and fahren, they are irregular verbs, so the rule doesn't go here. Okay, hören, Samriddhi. Try to do for hören.
Hard gehören.
Hard gehört.
Gehört.
Hard gehört. Yeah, hard gehört. Okay, then okay. So hard gehört, and then we have some Sana Revati Redden.
Reden. Hard
Okay, now here, if we write here hard ge re, rule says that we need to add a t, right? क्योंकि Redden का जो ये है, that is this one, right? But now अब आपको यहाँ पे खुद you would see that the pronunciation is not coming proper. So जहाँ पे ऐसे cases होते हैं जहाँ पे if only by adding t they are not sure of the pronunciation, what should it come? In order to make the pronunciation lighter, they add a et, so that it doesn't sound weird. Now by adding et, now it has become a perfect thing to pronounce hard geredet. So et is कारण से लगता है. For example, let's take arbeiten. Samriddhi, sorry Sana, what it could be? Hard.
hard arbeitet.
Ge are by.
Gearbeitet.
Yeah, ge are by. If I just add t, doesn't make sense, because are bite, and again adding double t doesn't make sense. So ge are bited. So here we have added et. So this et thing is something that will come up, like kahin se bhi aa jayega, so you have to understand ki et kyun add hua hai. So this is the basic reason. In order to make the pronunciation easy, they add an et ताकि बच्चों को difficulty, और बच्चों को क्या, it was the person who created German, he was very fond of, मतलब he wanted to have rhythmic pronunciation. उसको German के pronunciation में he needed no ifs and buts. So he tried to keep the pronunciation as easy as possible. That's why he had make some changes जो कि rule को justify नहीं करता. It's just that उससे मन में आया and he made it. So this is the reason. So now you have understood that how do we make the first rule of making the verb into participes y. Is it clear? The first rule of changing a verb to participes y. Okay, next. Next says the verb that ends with ieren. Yeah, the verbs that ends with ieren, they make their participes y by adding t to the verb stem. So we need to remove that ieren part, and we have to add t to the verb stem. Yeah. So telephonier is a verb stem. So we just need to add a t and it would become telephoniert. So for example, how do we make for this word? Reservieren. I'm giving you a word that ends with reservieren, ieren. So we just need to add t to the verb stem. What it should be?
Hard reserviert.
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 Hard reserviert. So when the verb, if any of the verb ends with ieren, then remember that here we don't add ge to the end. We just change the ending. We remove this ieren and we add verb stem में हम t add कर देते हैं. तो ये हमारा verb stem है. Reservoir हमारा verb stem है. इसमें हमने add कर दिया t, so it became reserviert.
Yes,
Similarly for
ma'am, but we
Sana?
can't remove IER because in the word we have put IER. We can't remove it.
No, sorry. If I missed spelled, sorry, if I misconducted it with the words, I meant that all the verbs that ends with IEREN, we don't need to remove it. It's just that we need to keep in mind the verb stem, and we need to add T to the verb stem. We don't remove it. Yeah, we don't remove it. We just add T to the verb stem. All the verbs जो IEREN पे खत्म होते हैं. Now, Sana, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So again, an example for the same I would like to give here. Informieren. Who can tell me for informieren?
Can I tell?
Yeah, sure. Heart.
Hard informiert.
Heart informiert. Sehr gut. Samriddhi, fotografieren.
Heart
Fotografieren. Very good. Heart photographiert. Okay. Heart photographiert. Then for I have one word for Revati. Okay. Kalkulieren. Kalkulieren. Yeah. Revati. Heart.
What calculate?
Calculiert. Very good. Calculiert. So all the verb that ends with IEREN, when they make their participles Y, we just need to remove the verb. We just need to remove the EN part, and we need to put an T. मतलब verb stem में T add कर देना है. Understood the second rule for converting the verbs to participles Y, right? And the last point which I have made here very clear by bold, like making it with bold letters, you have to learn the participles Y for the unregelmäßiger Verben. Because they don't follow the rule. First example which I need to show you here for the unregelmäßiger Verben. हम आते हैं यहाँ पे fahren में. तो fahren, when it changes to participles Y, it becomes ist gefahren. Ist gefahren. तो ge तो लगता है, but then it doesn't change with et, it normally adds en. If I come to okay, let's take a verb here, another verb which is okay, essen. Yeah, essen is again a irregular verb, so we cannot write it like hart not like that. It would change to hart gegessen. So gegessen is something that doesn't follow a rule. So better is कि आपको याद कर लो. That is the easiest way to deal with the irregular verbs, right? So irregular verbs जैसे जैसे book में आते जाएगा हम पढ़ते जाएंगे. But we should know that how do we change the regular verbs to participles Y, and what should be the helping verb. Am I clear with these things here? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
clear.